In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy customer service and find Etsy support, as well as how to reach out to Etsy on social media platforms. Navigating customer service can sometimes be a bit daunting, but don't worry. We're going to take this step by step to ensure you know exactly how to get in touch with Etsy when you need assistance. First, let's talk about reaching Etsy support through your account. The process begins by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Help Center at help.etsy.com. It's a central hub designed to assist you with any problems you might be experiencing. Now, as you browse through the Help Center, scroll down until you spot the Contact Support option. Click on it, and this will direct you to choose the nature of your issue, whether it's related to orders, billing, or perhaps shop management. Etsy meticulously guides you to the best support option available for your particular issue. They offer a couple of methods. There's live chat, which is the fastest means of communication if you're in a hurry, and then there's email support, which typically provides a response within 24 to 48 hours. Moving on, should you encounter a situation where you need to report a problem with an order, this is what you do as a buyer. Navigate to Purchases and Reviews within your account. From there, find and select the order that you need help with. You'll see the option Help with Order. Click on it. And if it turns out that the seller is unable or unwilling to resolve your issue, don't worry, that's when you can escalate the problem to Etsy support for further assistance. Now, for those of you who are sellers looking for Etsy support, start by accessing your shop manager. From there, click on Help and then Contact Support. In this space, you'll be able to specify the shop-related issue you're dealing with, be it listings, payments, or policy violations. Etsy provides chat or email support options for sellers, ensuring that you have the help you need. Lastly, let's discuss phone support. It's important to note that Etsy doesn't publicly list a customer service phone number. However, they do occasionally offer callback support for certain issues. To explore this option, navigate through the Help Center once more, select your issue, and check if there's a Request a Phone Call option available. And there you have it. You've got the map of all possible roads leading to Etsy support right at your fingertips. Whether you're dealing directly with customer service through their Help Center, or escalating an issue with an order, you now have the tools and knowledge to effectively communicate with Etsy's support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Etsy experience smoother whenever you